Hello students, this video we are going to discuss CBSE class 10 maths chapter 7 coordinate geometry second question in exercise 7.2. Let's get into the question children. So look into the question, find the coordinates of the points of trisection of the line. Similar thing is given in the example children. So points of trisection means what? The given line is divided into three equal halves. Bisect means two equal. So here it is three equal halves, and that is going to be the end points are going to be 4, 1. That is if A is going to be 4 comma minus 1 and B is going to be minus 2 comma minus 3. We need to find these points P and Q. So you can see that if it is going to be trisecting, it will divide in the ratio 1 is to 1 is to 1. So what we can do is, first we will combine this whole thing and we can write it to be 2 is to 1 and then do it. So in that case, this will be your M1 and this will be your M2, and this will be x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2. Now applying the section formula, which is going to be m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2 comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. So in this we are going to substitute for individual values for this point P. So point P, the coordinates, I am taking it to be x comma y. Okay, so what will be my x coordinate? M1 x2. M1 is 2 and x2 is going to be minus 2 plus m2 x1. M2 is 1 and x1 is going to be 4 divided by m1 plus m2 will be 2 plus 1, which is going to be 3. So this will be what? Minus 4 plus 4 divided by 3. So this will be 0. Now we will do for the y coordinate m1 y2. So 2 into minus 3 plus 1 into minus 1 divided by 2 plus 1. So this will be minus 6 minus 1 divided by 3, which will be minus 7 divided by 3. So now we've got this point. Okay, so we have solved for this point Q. Okay, 2 is to 1 means this point only. So let's take this to be x comma y. Okay, we have solved for point Q. Okay, so our point Q is going to be 0 comma minus 7 divided by. So now we've got for one point Q. So now I'll draw this again. This is my point A. This is my point Q. This is my point B. I also have another point P, which is in between A and Q in the ratio 1 is to 1. So here I can use the midpoint formula. So now I will use the midpoint formula to find out for the point P. Can we do that, children? Yes. So we have this to be A and Q. Okay. So A is this and Q is 0 comma minus 7 by 3. Q is 0 comma minus 7 by 3. So now we have these 2 points only, A and Q, and here you have P. Okay. So here it is going to be the midpoint formula, which is going to be x1 plus x2 by 2 y1 plus y2 by 2. Can we substitute now, children? Yes. So now for this, now I will take p of x comma y. Okay, my x will be what? X1 plus x2. So this is x1 comma y1 and this is this is x2 comma y2. x2 comma y2. So what will it be now? X value will be 4 plus 0 by 2, which will be 4 by 2, which will be 2. So what will be y? y1 plus y2. So minus 1, it will be plus of minus. So it will be minus 7 by 3 divided by 2. So now let us cross multiply here. it will be minus 3 minus 7 divided by 3 into 2. So it will be 3 here. So even if you are going to take it here, minus 7 divided by 3 whole divided by 2. So what will this be? This looks like a by b divided by c. So which will be a by b. If I have c by d, then it will be into d by c. Here, for that instead of d you have 1. So it's going to be minus 3 minus 7 will be minus 10 divided by t into 1 divided by 2. So now cancelling this, you have minus 5 divided by 3. So what is the point P now? Point P is uh, 2 comma minus 5 divided by 3, and point Q is 0 comma minus 7 divided by 3, and this is the answer. So these are the points of a section. Is it clear, children? So this is how you have to do this. So you need to remember the section formula, midpoint formula. We also saw another formula where you had it to be k is to 1, which is not used in the first two questions. Okay, but we already used these in the example problems. We'll also be doing it in the upcoming questions in the exercise also. Hope you understood this, children. If you have any doubt, please go through the video once again, go through the conceptual videos, that it will be easy for you to understand. See you again with the next question in the upcoming video, children. Thank you, children.